Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Subscribe now and stay updated with the best car and bike content every week. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 is expected to be a refreshed or next-generation version of Toyota's popular compact SUV. While official details are not yet fully released as of 2024, here's a comprehensive breakdown based on current trends, spy shots, and Toyota's recent design language. 1. Engine and powertrain options. Standard engine, likely a 2.5-liter four-cylinder, 203 horsepower, 184 pound-feet torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic and or CVT. Hybrid option. 2.5-liter hybrid, 219 horsepower combined with eCVT, offering improved fuel efficiency approximately 40 miles per gallon combined. Plug-in hybrid, prime. Upgraded, PHEV version, expected approximately 300 horsepower, approximately 40-plus miles electric range. Possible turbo option. Rumors suggest a turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder, similar to the Lexus NX for higher trims. 2. Exterior design. Body shape. Retains a rugged, angular design with sharper lines inspired by the Toyota BZ4X, but more aggressive than the 2023-25 RAV4. Front light, sleek LED headlights, with signature DRLs, possibly slimmer and more futuristic. Rear lights, full-width LED taillights, similar to Highlander or Crown Signia. Grille and bumpers, larger, bolder grille. Adventure trims may have a honeycomb mesh with skid plates for off-road variants, TRD Adventure. Wheel options. Base, 17-inch alloy wheels. Mid-high, trims, 18-inch or 19-inch alloys. TRD off-road, 19-inch matte black rims with all-terrain tires. Tire sizes, 225/65 R17 base, 235/55 R19 higher trims. 3. Interior design, dashboard, updated, floating touchscreen, likely 10.5-inch or larger, with Toyota's latest infotainment. Materials, soft-touch surfaces, optional leather suede, and sustainable fabrics, recycled materials in hybrid models. Seating, 5-passenger setup with improved leg room, ventilated heated seats in premium trims. Tech features. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, digital gauge cluster, 12.3-inch optional. Heads-up display, HUD. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. Enhanced driver assists. 4. Cargo and backup space, cargo capacity, behind rear seats, 37 to 39 cubic feet, similar to current model. Max cargo, seats folded, 69 cubic feet. Spare tire, likely a temporary spare, non-hybrid or repair kit. Hybrids. 5. Dimensions, estimated. Length, 180 to 182 inches. Width, 73 inches. Height, 67 to 68 inches. Wheelbase, 105.9 inches, similar to current model.